But now we're going to add some technical indicators for those who are looking to conduct analysis at this point. So what you're going to do here is click on this little squiggly F, and this is going to be your indicators. And at this point, you can add technical indicators to this particular chart. So it's going to show you a list of the most popular below. Let's say, for example, you wanted to do a simple moving average. You would click that here. By default, it's going to be the 50-day SMA, but you can click here. And let's say you wanted the 200-day simple moving average. You would just change it like that. And just like that, we've added this technical indicator here showing us the 50-day SMA. And if we also wanted to add, for example, the relative strength index, we could click on this here and add the RSI, and that's now going to add this to our chart here. So if you wanted to customize a view here for every single one of these, you could. If you have a view in particular that you like let's say, for example, you wanted to repeat this across the board, you would go up here and you would now click on this folder icon here, and you could save this as a new template. So if we called this default, for example, and then click on the checkbox, at that point, if we come over here and click on the same button for indicators, we can load in our default view, and it's going to apply the same exact indicators from the previous one over to the next view here for Ford stock.